fascinated.
Completely different models to create for this data. Each model should be saved in its own Python file and named with the approach. Also present the model performance metrics. So in data science, it's called a confusion matrix.
Okay.
That tells you what all your how your model is performing. So I'm going to ask for that for each model. I'm also asking for its own individual Python files because some of these models can get a little weird or a little complex. So I want to make sure that it's not going to just all mix them up in one file.
That's smart.
That would be super messy.
Yeah.
I didn't describe the data enough. CSV in data.csv. Let's look at that real quick. Yeah, there's a target variable, so that's what we want. The first column is named target, and that should be the dependent variable that we are trying to solve for. All right, let me read this again. File name data. I have a misspelling there.
I used to fix those, and I have gotten to the point where now when I'm talking to AI, I just vomit words, and sometimes they get a little messy. And unless it's something like this that's more technical, and here I would absolutely fix my typos.
Yeah. Yeah, you're definitely right about that. It's amazing how good the models are understanding what you really want, right?
I always feel like, if I watch the real reasoning traces, I'd see it be like, this idiot can't spell door.
But yeah, I think this prompt looks good. So one other thing I also wanted to point out, how the codex created the Python, the inception data generator, and then it also oh, what the heck? Oh my.
What happened?
I just spotted an error, guys. I didn't catch this the first time.
Hey.
It didn't create a Python file. It created the code as a CSV file.
Oh no.
There you go.